What do CPCSEA programs monitor regarding rare and endangered species? A. Their economic value. B. Their historical distribution. C. Their genetic diversity. D. Their habits and habitats. The correct answer is D. Their habits and habitats. What type of clothes are typically worn in winter? A. Silk clothes. B. Cotton clothes. C. Linen clothes. D. Woolen clothes. The correct answer is D. Woolen clothes. What is the primary component of Titan's atmosphere? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Calcium nitride. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is A. Nitrogen. What is the bulk movement of substances through vascular tissue in plants referred to as? A. Translocation. B. Photosynthesis. C. Evaporation. D. Absorption. The correct answer is A. Translocation. What type of rice should be included in the diet regularly? A. Basmati rice. B. Polished rice. C. Unpolished rice. D. White rice. The correct answer is C. Unpolished rice. What is the stalk part of a stamen called? A. Anther. B. Sepal. C. Petal. D. Filament. The correct answer is D. Filament. What does the term respiratory quotient refer to? A. The ratio of CO2 produced to O2 consumed. B. The ratio of ATP produced to glucose consumed. C. The ratio of O2 consumed to CO2 produced. D. The ratio of CO2 consumed to O2 produced. The correct answer is A. The ratio of CO2 produced to O2 consumed. Which particles are found within an atom, according to Rutherford's gold foil experiment? A. Protons, electrons, and neutrons. B. Molecules, ions, and compounds. C. Quarks, leptons, and bosons. D. Alpha, beta, and gamma particles. The correct answer is A. Protons, electrons, and neutrons. What is the second step in the food chain activity? A. Complete the chain. B. Fill the empty boxes. C. Watch the food chain in action. D. Click on the next icon. The correct answer is A. Complete the chain. Which chemical is known as the king of chemicals? A. Nitric acid. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is B. Sulfuric acid. What is one goal of improving plant growth? A. Decreasing yield. B. Reducing stress resistance. C. Increasing disease susceptibility. D. Improving quality. The correct answer is D. Improving quality. Which pole of the bar magnet should face the geographic north in activity 4? A. East pole. B. West pole. C. North pole. D. South pole. The correct answer is C. North pole. What can cause the buildup of electrical charges on surfaces? A. Heating certain materials. B. Rubbing certain materials with one another. C. Submerging certain materials in water. D. Cooling certain materials rapidly. The correct answer is B. Rubbing certain materials with one another. When high energy is released during a nuclear process, what typically happens to the particles involved? A. They cool down significantly. B. They separate into smaller fragments. C. They become inert. D. They combine. The correct answer is D. They combine. Which subatomic particle is stable and occurs in all atomic nuclei? A. Neutron. B. Positron. C. Proton. D. Electron. The correct answer is C. Proton. Which type of epithelium is composed of a single layer of slender, elongated, and pillar-like cells? A. Columnar epithelium. B. Compound epithelium. C. Stratified epithelium. D. Squamous epithelium. The correct answer is A. Columnar epithelium. Pentanes are used as fuels and what else in the laboratory? A. Reagents. B. Catalysts. C. Solvents. D. Indicators. The correct answer is C. Solvents. How are soluble solid and liquid mixtures separated? A. Magnetic separation. B. Winnowing. C. Distillation. D. Sedimentation. The correct answer is C. Distillation. What process can be used to estimate the percentage of oxygen in air by its removal? A. Photosynthesis. B. Fermentation. C. Rusting. D. Combustion. The correct answer is C. Rusting. How do factors pass to the offspring? A. Through gametes. B. Through somatic cells. C. Through blood circulation. D. Through the respiratory system. The correct answer is A. Through gametes. Which type of joint allows for the least amount of movement? A. Fixed. B. Ball and socket. C. Hinge. D. Pivot. The correct answer is A. Fixed. Which alternative energy source is derived from organic matter? A. Biogas. B. Coal. C. Tidal energy. D. Petroleum. The correct answer is A. Biogas. What is one of the key outcomes of successful homeostatic regulation? A. The continuation of life. B. A decrease in internal balance. C. An increase in external fluctuations. D. The need for external intervention. The correct answer is A. The continuation of life. Polyester fibers are known for being able to be drawn into what form? A. Solid blocks. B. Very fine fibers. C. Thick ropes. D. Large sheets. The correct answer is B. Very fine fibers. What can be taken through periscopes without being seen? A. Soil samples. B. Temperature readings. C. Photographs of important places. D. Voice recordings. The correct answer is C. Photographs of important places. What causes the initial displacement of a particle in a medium when sound propagates? A. A vibrating body. B. The ear of the person. C. The sound's wavelength. D. The adjacent particle. The correct answer is A. A vibrating body. What is the unit of measurement used for expressing the dimension of a cell? A. Micrometer. B. Kilogram. C. Meter. D. Liter. The correct answer is A. Micrometer. How does the compressibility of gases compare to liquids according to the activity? A. Gases are less compressible. B. Compressibility is not comparable. C. Gases are highly compressible. D. Gases are equally compressible. The correct answer is C. Gases are highly compressible. What is the coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth in Kelvin? A. 1 Kelvin. B. 273.15 Kelvin. C. 178.45 Kelvin. D. 310.15 Kelvin. The correct answer is C. 178.45 Kelvin. What is the insoluble compound formed in a precipitation reaction called? A. A soluble salt. B. A catalyst. C. A reactant. D. A precipitate. The correct answer is D. A precipitate. How did you score?